front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to access privacy controls. And when you're ready, select Permission Manager available here. Now it's time to manage it. In order to do that, tap on one of those features. Let's go with Camera. And click on one of your apps under one of those sections. In case of Camera, it's allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with AliExpress from not allowed one. Apply one of those options by tapping on the best one. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. And after you click, your changes will be automatically applied. So when I go back, as you can see, AliExpress just gained access to my camera when I'm using this app. But what most people miss is that you can tap on any feature, like location, just to tap on an app you wanna manage, like Facebook. Now, instead of applying any of those options, click on tiny text at the bottom. See all permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!